Today's word of the day is obstinate. The term obstinate refers to someone or something that is stubborn, unyielding, or resistant to change or persuasion. Here are some examples to illustrate the meaning of obstinate. 1. Despite the overwhelming evidence, the obstinate scientist refused to accept the new theory. 2. The child was obstinate and refused to eat anything except cookies for dinner. 3. No matter how much her friends tried to convince her otherwise, Sarah remained obstinate in her decision to quit her job.